Imagine instead of waiting in the bridge tunnel traffic, you could just fly to the other side of the water. That sounds pretty nice. Well, if researchers at NASA's Langley Research Center have their way, air taxis will be here before we know it. News 3's anchor Anthony Sabella explains.
The idea of looking up into the air and seeing big drones carrying people around, it sounds kind of crazy. Or does it? Scientists at NASA Langley say their research is proving maybe not.
Imagine the future, you can hail a flying Uber car and be able to fly over traffic, not where you're not stuck on the Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel.
The research to make that future reality is happening here. Engineers at NASA's Langley Research Center flying unmanned aerial systems, drones, in a test to see how they fly together in a small area. It's a small-scale version of a future where a high number of air taxis might be flying above, say, a city, or taking off from not an airport, but a vertiport.
Some fields could be a heliport. What happens if we're putting 100 vehicles per hour into that particular piece of ground?
How would air traffic control adjust so all these flights remain safe for the people in the air and on the ground below?
The autonomous systems on the aircraft, the air traffic management systems, and then to bring all that together.
Lou Glab leads the high-density vertiplex program at Langley, tasked with figuring it all out. It's work that happens here, too, inside the Air Traffic Operations Lab. Glab has been with NASA 37 years and part of this project since 2020. Each year, he says, brings with it a new batch of tests and research published and then given to the Federal Aviation Administration. FAA approval for air taxis, it could open the door to a new way of travel.
It's been estimated by some to be like 25 years of flying Uber cars, and we're trying to make it more like 5 years. In that case, you need to have a whole lot of aircraft to be able to support that type of demand, and that exceeds, our capabilities right now, our current air traffic management system.
At the same time, NASA is forming partnerships for different kinds of drone research. Glab says his team is working with the city of Hampton, Hampton University, and others using drones to keep an eye on local waters instead of helicopters.
Just the ability to put cameras and be able to monitor what is happening in areas is very powerful. Deliver some medical supplies, things like that could be possible to voters in distress.
A new world where the future might arrive sooner than expected. Anthony Sabella, News 3.